Most people get this wrong. They think Instant Spend Card is just another prepaid card. But the surprising truth in 2026 is that it's now a hybrid tool for early wage access, spending control, and short-term financial management. Here's how it works. Instant Spend Card allows you to access a portion of earned wages instantly, often within hours, and use it like a debit card. In 2026, it offers features like budgeting alerts, automatic repayment tracking, and even small rewards for on-time repayment. Instead of interest, it usually charges a flat fee per advance, making costs more predictable. But there's a downside. Frequent use can quickly add up. Flat fees, repeated advances, and missed repayments can turn convenience into a financial burden. Most people overlook how repeated withdrawals can impact cash flow and financial stability. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only advance what you absolutely need and can repay promptly. 2. Take advantage of alerts to avoid missed payments. 3. Build a small emergency fund to reduce dependence on the card. Who should consider Instant Spend Card? People with regular income who occasionally face unexpected expenses. Users with irregular earnings or weak repayment habits may find the costs outweigh the benefits. In conclusion, Instant Spend Card in 2026 is a helpful tool for short-term cash needs if used wisely. Fast access to wages and built-in tracking features make it convenient, but misuse can get expensive. Stay disciplined, plan ahead, and you can make it a smart part of your financial toolkit. Subscribe for more reviews and practical tips to manage your money effectively.